Salmon, avocado oil, Cajun spices, and fresh lamb. We gotta sprinkle the Cajun spices both sides of the fish. Oil. Leave it like that for 15 minutes. Your rice is boiling. Let's check. Perfect. Onion, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, salt, turmeric, cumin powder, paprika, curry powder, and of course 3-4 green chilies. Here we're gonna use some nigella seed, kalonji, pomegranate seed, nardana and clove. Without adding oil in the pan, I am going to sear the salmon fish. Both sides gets golden brown. And it will take probably 3-4 minutes both sides. Before switching the side, apply some ginger garlic paste. And carefully flip the fillet and continue cooking until done due to liking. At least 2-3 minutes more. And once it's done, take out the fish fillet and transfer it back in the plate. In the same pan, I'm going to add some oil, onion, after 3 minutes, now I'm going to add kalonji, nardana and clove, ginger garlic paste. After 30 seconds, I'll stop. Let it saute for 2 minutes more. Now we're gonna add curry powder, paprika, and then boiled rice. Now we're gonna let it saute for 2 minutes. Then we're adding fish fillet and chili, lemon juice, on slow heat. I'm going to let it simmer for at least 3 minutes. Then it's gonna be ready for serve.